Cool. What do you got, Nate? Look what Nate got, Emmy. A Woody and a Buzz shirt.
What else you get, Nate? What's in your basket? Open your basket.
A bunny chocolate.
Ooh. Probably candy. Nate doesn't even need his basket.
Candy.
Yeah. Let's set Nate's back up.
Candy.
Nate, come look in your Easter basket, buddy.
Candy in the carrot.
Lightning McQueen. All right. What else you getting there?
Beets.
Cheese. What else?
Nate, look. Sesame Street.
All right. What else, bud?
Nate. What's Nate? Chocolate bunny? Nate. Candy inside. Light. Nate, how about this? How about this? What's this? This. What's that? Sleeping Beauty's necklace. They all have necklaces. This is Ariel's necklace. This is Cinderella's necklace. This is Belle's necklace. And this is a watch. And that Lincoln.
Is that working?
Look at the back.